Such a tired day at the office. Boy, am I famished. I sure wish I knew the best restaurant in Bikini Bottom. From where has this glorious scent come?
Hark! The odor you seek is before you.
At the Krusty Krab, where the tastiest sandwich in the seas is grilled to perfection by our expert fry cook. And served with a smile by our friendly waiter.
Patrick gobbles down the patties. Nom 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 nom.
Wait a minute. Why am I dressed in a leotard?
1370.
This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. This morning, Russia, unbeknownst to the United States, mobilized troops along with several of its allies including Armenia, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Belarus, and Kyrgyzstan, and launched a full-scale invasion on the east coast of the United States. It has been reported the troops have reached New Jersey, and are striking through fast. It is currently unclear if Pakistan will attempt to strike further, but the United States will likewise strike back against them as strongly and harshly as possible. President Joseph R. Biden is being transported to a safe and secure location following these events. Please be careful in this harsh situation. All TV stations across the United States will play warnings and invasion alerts if needed until the enemy is eradicated. Please stay safe in these trying times. We will pull through this crisis as we always have. Warning, 60 seconds to intercontinental ballistic missiles landing on East Coast. Warning, 45 seconds to intercontinental ballistic missiles landing on East Coast. Warning, 30 seconds to intercontinental ballistic missiles landing on East Coast. Warning, 15 seconds to intercontinental ballistic missiles landing on East Coast. Warning, 5 seconds to intercontinental